Hi, let's talk about subtracting fractions with borrowing. At times when our top fraction is less than our lower fraction, we need to trade, just like we would in natural subtraction. First thing, if it's not a common denominator, make it that way. You know how to do that, so I've given myself problems with common denominators. There's two ways of doing it. Option one, you can take the mixed number and borrow one whole. I would take 4, take one whole out, leaving me 3, and I would use the current denominator as my numerator and my denominator, 8/8 being one whole, and add it to my existing fraction, giving me, in this case, 9/8. Here's my one whole that I borrowed from my 4. Now I can subtract. 9/8 minus 3/8 is 6/8. Don't forget, your whole numbers still need to be attended to. 3 minus 2, that was a 1. Bring over that 1. We need to simplify. Don't forget those basic steps when you do these more intricate problems. 6 and 8 have a common factor of 2. Keeping my one whole, I'm going to divide. 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. My final answer is 1 3/4. That's one way of doing it. Your second option for subtracting while borrowing, again, your common denominator is a must. It needs to be taken care of first. Option 2, you can make both terms improper. Remember our karate? 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 more gives us 33. My denominator swings right over, giving me 8. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 more gives me 19. I now have two improper fractions. Next thing I do would be subtract them. If you're having trouble keeping yourself organized, do your subtraction on the side. There's nothing wrong with showing your work. 14/8. Now here's one thing that's majorly different between the two methods. In this method, you've taken into consideration this 4 when you multiplied times 8. You don't need to deal with these whole numbers. That's a major difference and often a common mistake. Don't forget to simplify. We're almost done. 14/8. Take it out. 8, 6. 1 6/8. Again, find your common multiple, divide by it, get rid of that work, and I still have 1 3/4. Give it a try, find which way is comfortable, and then stick with it. Good luck.